The seagull got stuck in here. He can't get up. Don't you want to help him, babe? Just shoo him. Help him by his legs.
Like, what the fuck? Why can't I fly through it? I don't understand it.
What if he attacks me? Go that way. That way.
He's like, I'm trying. Don't you see?
Pick him up. I don't think they bite.
Really? Are you kidding me? I'm not picking that fucking thing up. He's just gonna have to figure it out.
I want to help him, but what if he like falls and he just dies?
He's like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Are you serious?
Go this way. This way. Look, go this way. Go this way.
I'm afraid to pick this motherfucker. I'm not picking that damn thing up. Are you serious?
I want to help the bird.
Help the bird out when you pick him up.
He's stuck. He's gonna die.
Control. You better have one of your friends come.
Look at all your friends up there.
Like, what the fuck? Why can't I go?
He said, I'm right here. Help.
You gotta come and help your homie. Come down and show him he gotta go this way.